Hi, it's Kim Zoller with ID 360. So, very interesting that today's Harvard Business Review's management tip of the day is all about mental health and how to have these conversations with our employees, with our teams about how are they feeling and where is their mental health. It just so happens that this is the week that we're launching our my 21-day mindful journey, which is all about mindfulness, mental health, and meditation. So why did I do that? I did that because for myself, to find out all this research and not do anything with it was really affecting me. And so I look around at our clients, and I don't know if this is how you feel, where you wake up and you cannot stay focused, or you feel like you're just all over the place, or there's so much going on that it feels overwhelming, or that you're working still harder than ever because you sit at your desk at your home. For many of us who are at home, and it's amazing how we just keep going, and so I want you guys to think about today, where is your mental health? What are you doing? Do you know how to do something to take care of your brain? Is mindfulness your answer? I think it totally is for so many things based on the research. Obviously, I would love for you to go on our journey, and if you have a question about it, let us know. No matter what, it is about really taking the time to know that you are here now and need to take care of yourself, which ultimately takes care of others. Thanks, and have the best day.